This is Railway Industry News 24, brought to you by the Korea Railway Industry Information Center. As extreme heat continues across Korea, Korail is stepping up measures to keep train operations safe. The national rail operator says it is closely monitoring rail temperatures and track conditions across the country as temperatures reach record levels. Automatic sprinkler systems are being used at vulnerable locations along the railway network. Installed at 599 locations nationwide, the systems cool overheated rails and help prevent tracks from buckling in extreme heat. When temperatures rise sharply, preventive speed restrictions are also introduced to keep train operations safe. Korail also operates a 24-hour disaster response center that continuously monitors train operations and track conditions nationwide. Emergency supplies such as bottled water and hand fans are being stocked at major stations and on trains, while additional measures are in place to protect outdoor railway workers from heat-related illness. With extreme heat potentially causing delays, passengers are advised to check the latest train information before traveling.